Hey guys, it's Annie. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys the Allure Beauty Box for September. And also, I want to tell you guys a little bit about these jewelry pieces. So let's get into it. For starters, guys, look at these. Look how beautiful these are. I've been wanting a pair of knocker earrings for such a long time now. And also these safety pins. I've been looking for a pair of safety pin earrings for such a long time, guys, but I never find a pair that's like really good quality, but also they're not too big, not too small. Like these are perfect for my second hole. I just love them. And I also get a moonstone ring, so let me show you guys. So this is like a foggy white moonstone. It goes with everything. I got too excited talking about the pieces that I forgot to mention the brand name. So it's Ana Luisa, and all of their pieces are 100% recycled gold and sterling silver, which is amazing for the environment. It's just even more of a reason why I would keep going back to them. I think that's so cool. I haven't even heard of that. Have you guys? Usually when you hear about brands that go the recycled route, it's usually really pricey, but these are really affordable. So you know what? Let me actually pull the pricing up for each item. So this guy here is $75, the ring. These little pins here, these are $59, and then the knockers are $55. But do you see what I mean about the fair pricing? Honestly, when I saw these, I expected these to be $150. And the quality's really good, guys. I've been wearing these for a month straight now. You know, nothing's falling apart, nothing's turning green. They're really good quality. I've been really into mixing like a modern punk with like a really elegant vibe, so that's why I paired both of these together. I also just love that these safety pin earrings are just an everyday staple. If you don't have second holes, you can always just put them in your first hole, and that'll just be like, you'll still be casual, but it just like bumps you up a level, you know, like you get some fashion points. Okay, moving on to the Allure Beauty Box for September. I'm not gonna lie, I took a sneak peek of this and I'm not that impressed. If you guys haven't seen the Allure Beauty Box, this is what it looks like here. Probably shouldn't have a white background for this because it just blends in. But I love the Allure Beauty Box because they always have this little mini magazine here. So they have editors who go over all the products here. They tell you a little bit about it and how they use it. And also if a product comes in different sizes, they let you know how much for each size. This is the box here. Try not to drop anything. Okay, so the first product here is a mineral light fluid sunscreen, Celox Shield, UVA and UVB protection plus antioxidants. And this is from La Roche-Posay. So it's just a little sample size here. A very light scent. It just looks like a really light, yeah, so it's just a really light sunscreen. This looks like it would actually be really perfect for your face though. And after rubbing it in, it just sinks right into your skin, so it's not that greasy feeling. So I'll definitely be trying this out. I'm gonna be going to California tomorrow. I was like, next week? Tomorrow. So I'll definitely be bringing this guy with me. And then we have a dry conditioner. Conditions dry hair to frizz control. I don't think I've ever heard of a conditioning spray. I thought that this was gonna be like a dry, oh, I guess dry shampoo. But I guess it's like a conditioning dry shampoo. All right. That is a really interesting concept because I know that the dry shampoos, they do dry your hair out. I feel like after I use them, my hair just kind of feels like straw. So I'm really excited to use this. Let me see how this comes out. What the? I mean, I just washed my hair, so I don't think we're even gonna see anything, but it has a really nice scent to it as well. Could be a little bit overpowering if you have a problem with scents, which I do. I get migraines really easily. I don't know if this is something that would necessarily bother me that much. It's like a light floral scent. But yeah, it did seem like it moisturized my hair a little bit. All right, next we have an Elemis Pro Collagen Cleansing Balm. So this is a super cleansing treatment balm. I'm really interested to try this because, as you guys can tell, I wear a lot of makeup, and they do say that cleansing balms are the best way to go if you wear a lot of makeup. You want to use a balm to dissolve everything first, and then you go in with a cleanser. I mean, I do this when I do body painting. I use something kind of similar to that. I use it like a, yeah, I guess it is like a cleansing balm. This one just looks a little bit different to me. The balms that I use are more of like an actual balm. This seems like it's, oh, I guess it is a little bit. It just seems like a little bit more, not watery, that's not the right word. Like a gel cream? Does that even make any sense? But I'll definitely try this guy out and let you know what I think. I'm really excited about this one. Then we have an e.l.f. highlighting brush. pretty self-explanatory. It's just a highlighting brush, but I'm actually gonna use this guy. So I'm just gonna dip into a highlighter using this brush. I just made it look really natural. I like it. All right, now we have a twist up eyeliner by Cleo Noir. Oh, I should probably take it out of this packaging. Okay, so it looks like a purple liner. Yeah, so it's like a nice like purpley plum eyeliner. This would probably go great in your waterline, especially if you have green eyes. Purple would really amplify that. And then we have Wander Beauty. This is Unlashed Volume and Curl Mascara. So it has a nice curved wand, which I like. And then next up we have a sheet mask. I feel like every Allure beauty box that I've gotten has a sheet mask, which I love. So this is a revitalizing Japanese sake, enhancing radiance sheet mask. So yeah, those are all the products, guys. If you guys don't know about the Allure Beauty Box, it's $15 a month and you get between 7 to 8 products. It's mainly skincare based. I talk about this in all my videos. This is my favorite beauty box. I just love the Allure Beauty Box. This one wasn't super impressive to me, but this is the only one that I've kind of been like, about, you know? But I'll still be using these. Like I said, the balm, I can't wait to try this. The sunscreen, I'll be using this weekend. And I definitely want to try out this hair conditioner, the dry conditioner, because I'm just really curious about that. Also guys, Allure I'm not sponsored by them at all or anything like that. They do send me this box, which I'm very appreciative of because I love it. So I don't have a code for you guys or anything, but if you're interested in signing up to get the Allure Beauty Box, I'll include a link in the description down below. But yeah, that's the end of the video, guys. Make sure to check out Ana Luisa. I'll have their link in the description down below. Like I said, my code is Cliche10 for 10% off. If you do wind up purchasing anything, let me know on Instagram and I'll repost you guys in stories. I'm so excited to see what you guys think about them and just to check out their pieces in general. I think you'll really like them. But also let me know what you guys think of the Allure Beauty Box for September. Did you like it? Is there anything in here that you guys would want to purchase? Yeah, give this video a like if you liked it. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos from me. I love you guys and I'll see you in the next one. Oh guys, real quick, I forgot to mention that the Allure Beauty Box for October is going to be crazy apparently. So make sure to watch out for that. I can't wait to receive that one, but I just wanted to put that note in there because I don't know. I want you guys to get excited too. But yeah, okay, bye.